Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your vehicle. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. Safety is paramount, so wear safety glasses and gloves. Always inspect both batteries for any cracks, leaks, or corrosion before proceeding, as a damaged battery should not be jump-started. This initial preparation ensures a safe and effective jumpstart. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the good battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame of the dead vehicle, away from the battery and moving parts. This creates a safe ground. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the process. Begin by starting the engine of the working vehicle. Let it run for about 5 minutes to allow the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try to start the engine of your vehicle with the dead battery. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 to 3 minutes and try again. Remember not to crank the engine for more than 5 seconds at a time to prevent damage to the starter motor. Once your vehicle starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface of your vehicle. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the red positive clamp from your vehicle's positive terminal. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If it doesn't hold a charge, consider a battery check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.